Anybody who's got the Carlock will know that sound is a pain in the arse, but also good because it means something's happening to the car. Middle of the night, just as you get in the car and drive off the driveway but forget to disarm the Carlock, we need to be able to change the sound Carlock to something a little less panicky. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm doing a quick video on some of the Carlock accessories that go along with the Carlock tracker. This video is not sponsored by Carlock themselves, although they did send me the Hardwire kits that they've recently released, just because I asked nicely. They didn't approach me to kind of provide them to me. Anybody with an S550, 2019 Mustang, not sure on the previous years, will know that the OBD port is in the driver's footwell. So this device sticks out somewhat into the driver's footwell. Not so much that it's going to hit your knee, but so much so that you can see it when you get in the car. And obviously, you don't want that in a security device. You don't want to be able to see that through the window. Because if anybody does want to steal a car, whether it's through a keyless entry attack or to kind of mug you to take the keys, we've got the ghost immobilizer, so that's not a problem. They could just unplug it, drive away, and the car's gone with no tracker. So they have sent me two kind of Hardwire kits. The first one being an OBD Extension Cable. This one's great, apart from the fact that it doesn't really let you hide the tracker. If someone is going to try and steal your car and they do their research to see where the OBD port is, just in case there is a tracker fitted, then they will be able to trace this kind of ribbon cable. It's not very long, but all they have to do is go to the known location of the OBD port on the car, unplug this, and essentially the other end. The kind of tracker is at the end of this cable, so that goes in the OBD port. There's the tracker. You could hide it behind the dash, inside one of the kind of trim pieces, but it doesn't really hide it that much. It just hides it from view, and it makes it a little bit more convenient, so it's not stuck out in the footwell. But this one's more for convenience than it is for security, I guess. The second Hardwire kit that I've got here is the true definition of a Hardwire kit. It's an OBD port with a little mounting plate. It allows you to mount it anywhere in the car, but it's got two wires. And we've got live and ground there, and that allows us to place it anywhere in the car where we can tap into the 12 volt. I haven't looked at any kind of positions where I can put this on the car yet, but hopefully we can find one that is hidden away. I'm not sure whether hiding this away under any of the kind of panels will affect the signal. There is a SIM card in this box, and I assume it works over GSM, GPRS, 3G, 4G, not a clue. Kind of want to break it open to have a look, but also don't want to ruin the device. So as I say, I need to find a decent location to put this. I think they can put battery terminals on it with an inline fuse, maybe put it in the engine bay, wire it straight to the fuse box of the battery, or we can hide it anywhere in the car that's got a 12 volt feed that's a constant live. So if anyone's got any suggestions, please do leave them in the comments. Drop a subscribe, drop a like. There will be more videos coming up on this in the future. I'm not going to advertise where I put this for obvious reasons, but I will talk about where, how we can wire it in and the locations that we can put this, but also its other applications, right? Because this Hardwire kit here means that you can probably wire it to anything with a bit of a power. They've inadvertently created a bit of a discrete tracker. That's all I'll say. I don't know if bikes have an OBD port. I guess they have some kind of engine management that would mean that you can program the engine management on a bike. Could be wrong. Never had a bike. Not a bike man. But I guess this allows you to use a tracker with other applications. So maybe wire it up to a bike, wire it up to a quad, an ATV, a utility vehicle, tractor, a boat. I don't know. Anything that's got a live feed, I guess. To be honest, we could probably just wire a set of batteries up in series or parallel, I can't remember which one is, to provide this with enough power to work, and you could strap it to anything. one for another video, I guess. Let's have a play. But yeah, if you've got any suggestions on where I can hardwire this on the car to where it's hidden, please do drop a comment, and I will be back soon with a few more videos on the Hardwire Kit. Have a good evening. Bye bye.